Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, now click here to connect it. Click here to Metamask. Okay, as you will see here, it's connected now. Okay, it's connected now. Now I am clicking here trade, and I click here to exchange. Okay, because you don't directly add or staking into Nominex, first you must use PancakeSwap and Metamask Exchange. Okay, swap your currency, then stake here. Select which currency? USDT. Okay, click here to select NMX, Nominex Exchange Token. Okay, if you will not found, okay, log in your Nominex Exchange account and onto the pool section, liquidity pool, where is here. Okay, then I have already told you, just copy this USDT address and Nominex address and paste it here. Here is USDT and here is Nominex. If you will not found USDT contract here and Nominex NMX token here, no, if you will not found, just copy this contact address and paste it here. Okay, then it will be added automatically. But I have found, okay, USDT and Nominex. Now again click here, click here. Okay, it's not connected, it's sometimes it's disconnected. Now click here to Metamask. Okay, and reload this page. Now it's connected. Okay, again select USDT and select Nominex NMX. Okay, my balance is 115 USDT, but I want, okay, stake 100 USDT into my referral account. Okay, 50%, I have already told before, 50% Nominex and 50% USDT. Okay, 50% leave USDT and 50% use. Just type here 50 USDT. Okay, after typing 50 USDT, as you will see here, sometime it generates error. Okay, price impact to I. Then what to do? Your step is this. First I want to convert, okay, 35 or okay 39, it's not impact 35. 35 USDT first I am converting. After that I am converting, okay, or you can also to do it this into 25. Okay, first 25 convert, because $50 not converted, there is an error. Then you divide it 25 USDT first converted. Click here and click here to swap. Okay, and here is what, just type confirm to continue. Click here to confirm. Okay, I have already told you before in previous videos, $5 BNB into your Metamask wallet for transaction fee only, and you can minimize and decrease and change your gas fee, transaction fee, if it's I, but 5 is normal. Okay, it's more than 5, then you must decrease it first. Click here to confirm. Okay, now again I am typing 25, then it will make 50 USDT. Okay, as you will see here, type here confirmed and okay. Okay, sometimes it generates an error. Okay, again type 25 USDT and click here to apply. Confirm and click here OK. Again confirm your transaction. It's confirmed. Now check your MetaMask balance. As you will see here, 50 USDT equal to 8.5. That's what? That's your NMX tokens. Now I am adding this NMX tokens into Nominex. I have already logged in. Just click here to connect it. Connect it MetaMask. Okay, first click here, click MetaMask and reload this page. Okay, again click here and click MetaMask. Okay, now it's connected. Okay, now click here, connect wallet. Click here to MetaMask. Now it's connected, as you will see here. Okay, now it's showing 8.5 NMX tokens and 65 USDT. Okay, click here to sign in. If sometimes it's disconnected or there is an error or an option link wallet, then click link wallet again. Okay, now you must click here in NMX, not click here. Okay, I have already told you why in previous videos why you click here. Okay, click here, or okay, 8.5 NMX equal to 41 USDT. Okay, but I am investing, okay, just 8 NMX. Okay, click here to add liquidity pool. Okay, click here to confirm. Okay, it will be added. Now your final step. Final step is what? Your final step is click here to personal farming. Okay, after adding, now click here to personal farming. First approve it, then stake it. Okay, click here to Nominex. Okay, now click here to approve it. Click here to sign in. Okay, your final step is what? Click here to stake. Click here to confirm. Staked successfully, as you will see here. Here is a message. 17.5 NMX LP liquidity provider. LP means liquidity provider, staked successfully. I hope you will understand everything, how to buy USDT using P2P trading in Binance Exchange. After that, how to transfer that USDT from Binance Exchange into Metamask, and then convert or swap that USDT, 50% USDT into NMX token. After that, token, how to add liquidity provider and approve. Final step is stake. Then how to stake them into your Nominex exchange. Everything you will understand. As you will see here, here is everything, and you can also check your liquidity provider. 70 NMX. Okay, I hope you will understand everything in this video. Many new investors are asking again and again, so I have created this lecture. Okay, if you will any confusions, okay, comments me below in the description of this video. I will revert back as soon as possible. Okay, I again welcome new members to join our professional team to communicate new people and earn commissions. Okay, you will find these both links, my referral links, you will find into the description of this video. Just click and register your account. You will automatically added into my team and get team bonus. Okay, remember this referral code 85384, and this is my Binance and this is Binance referral code. Okay, during the registration, or just click or type this, enter this referral code into the referral section and register your account. Thanks.